Hey Myntra Beauty fam, how are you all? Welcome back to Myntra's YouTube channel. So winters are here and winters के साथ साथ आते हैं बहुत सारे skin issues like dry skin, dullness, dark circles, rashes and also हमारी जो makeup needs हैं वो भी change होती है with winters. You can't use products जो कि आप summers में use कर रहे थे, winters में भी needs are different, skin issues are different and hence we all need to put out our A game for our skins. So इसीलिए I head straight to Myntra and got all these amazing winter skincare and makeup essentials. Now I know a lot of you guys are wondering about the budget, so don't worry, all these amazing products are under 5,000 rupees. Like जितना भी मैं अभी आपके साथ share करने वाली हूँ, the total is under 5,000 rupees, which is amazing. So if you wanna see मेरे winter skincare and makeup essentials में क्या क्या है, then please keep on watching. So the first thing that I got for myself is a good moisturizer and not just any moisturizer, it is a tinted moisturizer. Now winters में हम क्या चाहते हैं, हमारी skin जो है अच्छे से hydrated रहे, glowy रहे, but मिलता क्या है हमें with winters is dull and dry skin. So a good moisturizer is a must have. So I got this amazing tinted moisturizer by Makeup Revolution. This is their super dewy skin tint. My shade is fair and ये आपकी skin को अच्छे से hydrate करेगा. At the same time जो tint है that will just even out your skin and this is a perfect everyday moisturizer, a tinted moisturizer that you can get on Myntra. The next thing on my list is a lip balm. Now winters और chapped lip बहुत ही common problem है, right? So I got some amazing lip balms. I love these lip balms that I got from Myntra. So I got the Dot & Key Gloss Boss Lip Balm Kit जहाँ पर आपको 4 lip balms मिल जाते हैं. These are vegan and tinted and trust me guys, these are amazing, especially this one, the Watermelon Rush. I used it and you get the most beautiful natural pink lips with these. And I also got this lip plumping sleeping mask from Dot & Key because you need to repair and nourish your lips throughout the night as well. So yeah, had to try that out as well. Winter skincare की बात हो and under eye cream की बात ना हो is so unlike me because I am a firm believer of using a under eye cream when it comes to winter skincare. And I would highly recommend this Quench Botanica Mama Sika Dark Circle Fading Under Eye Cream that I got from Myntra. And trust me guys, this is so good. इसका जो 3 roller mechanism है, it's so amazing and so easy for application. And साथ में जो product इसके अंदर है वो भी काफी अच्छा है. It just gets absorbed so quickly into your skin. Love this product. I think that you should certainly try this out because it will not just depuff your eyes बल्कि आपके dark circles को भी reduce करने में help करेगा. I would highly recommend this one and if you want to try it out, link is in the description box. So those were all my skincare essentials and let's talk about my makeup essentials because summers में हम usually mattifying products use करते हैं but game changes with winters. You need something which is dewy and hydrating, right? तो जैसे ही winters आते हैं मैं अपने warm colors के mood में चले जाती हूँ starting with the lipsticks and this time I got my hands on some really good and amazing products starting with the Maybelline Sensational Ultimate Lipstick. This is in the shade More Mauve, such a beautiful pinky nude shade, just the perfect for winter season. I also got the Just Herbs Micro Mini Kit. This is Herbs Enriched Ayurvedic Lip Kit and you get 16 shades to choose from. Like पूरे winters रोज अपनी lipstick बदल के लगाओ. And जो तीसरा है, it is such a beautiful product. It's a water tint. This is from Etude House. This is their Dear Darling water tint that I got on Myntra. And they're gorgeous. If you want to get them, check out the links in the description box. And since it's winter, आप लोग मुझसे पूछोगे निधि, what's your minimal makeup routine? I would say that I like to go in with a tinted moisturizer such as this one, जिसके बारे में हम already बात कर चुके हैं, and lots of blush. And Myntra had the perfect one by Faces Canada. This is their berry blush goji berry oil with sheer butter and such a beautiful blush. And now that we are done with our blush, one thing that I cannot miss is my mascara because I feel winters में ना eyes थोड़ी सी swollen रहती है because you don't want to get up, you want to be in your bed and hence mascara will open up your eyes. This one by Essence I got on Myntra. I'm in love guys, like I am in love. Get it now, this is such a good product. So I have all my winter skincare and makeup essentials right here. What about you? If you wanna grab any of these products, check out the links in the description box. And if you wanna catch more such glam and fun videos, make sure to subscribe to Myntra's YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon. Bye.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.